Pagsasakto na siya. Sobrang ganda. Don't move. Again, don't answer my question. I promise you guys, this is not a joke. This is not a prank. You are the final winners. Alright? Once again, a round of applause, please. You can go back to your seat now. Okay, so for now, sige na, I'll promise you that this is a real one. Wait, Brad, daog na mo. Oh my God, what happened on this? Okay, wait lang ha. For now, I will have a better idea. This time, I will transfer you on the other side. Okay? Because I will use this stage first. Bukat naman yung umal. Ikaw na lang dito. May daog na lagi mo. Promise. Ay guys, promise this is a real one. Come on, go. You can go back to your seat dali na, Brad. Sige na. Daog na lagi ko. Yeah, sige na yan. Hilak na rapat ka. Sige na. Daog na lagi. Anak sila kay di man mo tuho pag antos mo diha ay bahala. Okay, daog na lagi. Okay, ayan. Sige. You. Okay, let's do this. Please. No running, no pushing. Okay? Slowly and be careful. Huh? Okay, then here we go. Very good.
1, 2, 3.
Very good. Count. 1. Okay, very guys. Keep yourself until 7.
7.
Get yourself until 7. Get yourself until 7. Get yourself until 7. Group yourself until 7. Group yourself. Group yourself until 7. Okay. Count.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, very good. Back to the circle. And here we go. 10. Okay, this time you are not allowed to be outsider.
Oh, dance na, dance.
Okay?
Dance. Dance.
Okay, get ready. Group yourself until
Hag patring dali. Hag na
10.
patring. Hag. Oy, baday. Baday. Hadlok
Group
siya.
yourself until 10. Okay, here we go. Group yourself until 10.
May bas patring kay
Are you good? Group yourself until. Just wait for a while. I have a question first. Unsa imong relation ni kuya? Kung sana nimo? Imong amigo, imong itagaw, imong igsoon, ikaw, kanin, kana, ikaw, si ate, ang ginoo ko puro ng ate. Katong usang nagto na nagpuyo na sa kibig, na luoy na kaayo ang nawa. Amigo. This one, and that one, and Cameron, that is what is your relation to Cameron? Your cousin. And this little one here, amiga. Amiga.
Saan? Go.
A fruit that starts with the letter F. Go. Go.
Fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Go. Mga buwa.
Gumamela.
Kumamela. Go.
Sampagita.
Sampagita. Name any kind of a flower.
Kumbel.
Umbel. Name any kind of a flower.
Rose.
Rose. Name any kind of a flower.
Tenderloin.
Ha?
Tenderloin.
Kasi tenderloin.
Naggawa siguro sila sa lechon.
Tenderloin.
Tenderloin. Go. Name any kind of a flower.
Flower.
Sulti na. Wala pa. Not yet. Name any kind of a flower.
Ano mo dalay mo?
Gapudel.
Ha?
Gapud.
Daffodil. Oh, nag-inom ko daffodil mo? Wala. Name any kind of a flower.
Patututot! Kamunggay!
One. You're out. Name any kind of a flower.
Bumbilya!
Nabuan na dito.
One. You're out. Name any kind of a flower.
Lily.
Lily. Very good.